Hey everybody, this is Kevin here with Ken's Sewing Center in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. In this video, I want to talk to you about the Bernette B05 Academy. This is a mechanical sewing machine. It's got so many great features on it. First thing you're going to notice, we have the horizontal spool pin. This machine is going to be extremely easy to thread. I have channel threading all the way down to my needle, and this machine will have the built-in needle threader to thread that needle every time flawlessly. We'll have the top drop-in bobbin system. That is a superior bobbin system, and that system is extremely easy to thread as well. I can see my bobbin at any given time, so I know how much thread's left on the bobbin. You don't want to get into the middle of a project or a seam and have to change your bobbin. Sometimes it's a noticeable difference, so having that ability to see my bobbin is critical. I've got plenty of room here within the sewing arm of the machine, and my needle plate will have markings on it as well to help me get a seam allowance. The machine will have the adjustable pressure here, so that regulates the amount of force being pressed down onto my presser foot. So for lighter weight material, we may need to back that off sometimes to ensure we don't push the material down into our bobbin case. I will have the two-step presser foot lift, so I can raise up a little bit more to get thicker materials up underneath the presser foot. It will have a 6-point feed dog system. There's 6 places that the machine's feed dogs is touching your fabric. So that ensures on stretchy material that fabric stays flat while the needle penetrating the garment. That helps reduce puckering. It's going to get an even feed. Your garments are going to look so much better. I do have the top winding bobbin on the machine, so you can wind your own bobbins on it. I can adjust my stitch length and width on all my sewing patterns. So here's my stitch width, and this will adjust my stitch length. And I really like the selector knobs here because it has a silicone grip. It makes it so much easier for me to grip the knobs and do the adjustments I need to do. Great feature here, I can move my needle over by using this. If you're putting in cording or piping or a zipper, just by moving this lever right here, I can move that needle over. For concealed zippers, getting up against cording, piping, maybe there's a pocket or a seam or something that you're needing to get right up on, you can move that needle over. You can't do that on just any mechanical machine that's on the market. Here's my reverse lever that will help me to do my back tacking. The machine will have an easy adjust tension system. There's rarely you're going to have to adjust the tensions on this machine. Basically, if you leave it between setting 4 and 5, you'll rarely have to adjust your tensions. Now, I really like the slick base here. There's a metal plate here that gives me no grooves. There's no places really for the fabric to hang. It's going to ensure my fabric glides across. The needle plate area is also the bed of the machine. It does have the removable accessory tray that I can expose the free arm, and I really like how the accessory tray opens toward me so I can see what accessories I need to get, keep everything stored within the machine. The B35 is going to give me the ability to change my width and length on all of my sewing patterns. Now I have 23 stitches built in on this machine. This machine will have the one-step buttonhole, and it will come with a special foot as well as other presser feet. It has a special attachment that I can put the button that I'm working with in it, and it's going to size that buttonhole every time there. So I get the same size buttonholes no matter if I'm doing from baby buttons all the way up to a standard coat button. On our pattern selector dial, we just pull the stitch up that we want, and we'll notice there's different colors here. That correlates to my stitch length knob. So if I want to make sure that I have the correct color for the stitch and the letter that I'm doing, it's extremely easy. Now, Ken's Sewing Center is going to be here to help you with any questions you have about the B05. Whether you have operational questions, you think you're having a problem with the machine, you get our premium support package with your purchase. You can pick up the phone, be sitting in front of your machine, and give us a call anytime, and there's going to be somebody there that can help you, that knows how to sew, that knows everything there is about this machine. It can help you, so there's no frustration there. The machine has a good lengthy warranty on it. Ken's is a warranty station. We carry all parts and all accessories for the B05. Another great feature about the B05, there's a low setting and a high setting. So if you have a beginner, you can back that down to speed number 1, and the machine is only going to operate at a halfway speed. And if I go to speed 2, there's a noticeable difference. Also notice the LED lighting on this machine. We have full illumination on the bed and also around our needle. Let's do a little bit of sewing on those machines. I want you to see the top drop-in bobbin system, just how smooth running it is and how this machine can sew. Here I've got just a heavier weight denim. I'm going to do 8 layers of denim and show you the pressure foot lift, show you the 6-point feed dog system, top drop-in bobbin system, how that's going to work for you. So we'll raise that pressure foot up. I can get the material up underneath the fabric. We'll put our stitch length on a 2. Let's do a straight stitch. Now we have the electronic foot control that comes with this machine. Just like the gas pedal in your car, the harder you press it, the faster the machine will sew. You can slow that machine down as well just by letting off of the foot control. So that's going to make sure the machine doesn't run away with you. And this machine has a good pace that it sews at. So we're going to sew down through here, just a slow setting, because I want to show you several things about this machine. Then we can go down onto our cotton. We'll go full speed. And I've got the reverse here. If I want to back tack something, I can. There's a little razor on the side of the machine. I can rake that thread across. And I've sewn extreme heavy to a cotton with no problem whatsoever. The machine can handle sewing stretchy material as well. The feed dogs, having that 6-point feed dog system on the machine is a big plus because it's going to help keep this stretchy fabric flat while that needle's penetrating the garments. Let's sew it. When I raise my pressure foot up, the tension disc will release for me so I can easily pull my fabric through. No problem whatsoever. The B05 comes with a lot of accessories standard. We do get the extension table that'll come with it. Now, when you're sewing, the fabric is naturally going to flow to the left of the garment. You will have some in here, but if you're working with a larger garment, sometimes that creates a problem because we're having to wrestle at the needle with our fabric. If we had more support here on this side, it's going to make it a lot easier. So having that extension table, this is made to fit this particular model. We'll just slide it right on the machine. There's even seam allowances on this side. There's grooves we can use to help line and keep straight, but you're going to have plenty of support. It's a long table, so we can keep that. Fabric's not going to hang on anything. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized Bernette dealer. We carry all parts and accessories for the B05. We can help compare this model to any other model in the Bernette line and help you find the right machine to meet your needs. You will get our premium support package with your purchase. There's more information on the B05 on our website. Check it out or pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll be glad to help you anytime.